If I say I love chickpeas, I know you must be saying we also love chickpeas. They are one ingredient of pulse which I recommend a lot. Yes, it is very healthy for the health, and especially if you want to lose weight, nothing like it, and it keeps you full for a longer time. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making super easy and tasty healthy hummus bites which you're going to just love it. So let's begin with it. So for the super tasty hummus bites, I am going to first take the red cabbage. Yes, you know red cabbage is very good for health. It is rich in antioxidants and obvious the fiber and lots of vitamins even. And to this I am adding the super healthy chickpeas. Yes, these are your boiled chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you like, whatever you call. So I'll give you a tip: if you want to boil your chickpeas, boil it without salt. They will be super soft chickpeas when you boil it without the salt. Here I'm adding some roasted sesame seeds to give that delicious flavor to this hummus. You can add garlic. I did not add garlic, but you can add garlic. Basically in hummus we add garlic, but I did not add it. Some olive oil goes into it. Now I'm adding some lemon juice into it. And now I'm going to add some rock salt in it. Yes, some rock salt goes into it, and I'm going to blend it in a food processor or mixer jar. And see what a lovely color, beautiful reddish pink color, and I'm tasting it's super delicious. And my red cabbage hummus is done. Now I'm going to prepare another colored hummus. Yes, it's a green hummus. See this, I'm using the curled parsley. You can use kale even, you can use spinach even. Basically I'm trying to get hold of the vegetables in the hummus. Yes, previously I added the red cabbage. Here I'm adding the curled parsley. Again the same recipe of the normal hummus with the parsley. Some roasted sesame seed goes, some lemon juice goes into it, some boiled chickpeas or garbanzo beans goes into it, some rock salt goes into it, and some olive oil goes into it. I did not add garlic, but you can add garlic into it. So if you want to make without garlic, no need to add garlic into it. Now blend it in a food processor. Sorry for my hoarse voice, my voice is breaking. So my parsley hummus and red cabbage hummus are done. And now I am going to pipe it in a piping bag. Simply I am going to transfer both the red hummus and the green hummus into different smaller size piping bag. Here goes my parsley hummus and here goes my red cabbage hummus. You can even make with beetroot, but red cabbage is more healthy, so I have added. In fact, all vegetables are healthy one way or the another, but this is one vegetable which my family don't eat, so I prefer putting it in some way or the another in salads and all, so that it gets hidden, or at least it is in a medley form, so they don't bother about it. And now I have taken another big piping bag and I have taken a star shaped nozzle and I am putting both the bags. Remember to slash off the mouth of the piping bag. Yes, otherwise how will it pipe? So I'm just squeezing it inside the bigger pouch, and here I have taken these ready-made croutons. These are your red chili flakes flavored. You can use any canapes or biscuits or crackers, or you can simply serve like this with the crackers also. And I'm just piping it off. My green color, the parsley one, is not coming out. I have muddled up while putting it, but it will come out, don't bother. Yeah, see, it's coming out. Perfect. Isn't it lovely? Perfect way to make the children eat, your family eat, because when they see the color, they are sure to have this. Doesn't it look delicious? Perfect for the small tinny mini hunger or for your party food even. Perfect for your, when you're watching Netflix, you can bite on it. And my canapes or my croutons, hummus bites are done. Here I'm transferring on a plate. See. Beautiful. Doesn't it look gorgeous? You can pipe in any way. You can make roses or florets like me, whatever you feel or whatever you are comfortable with. And this is the easiest way, which I basically do this only. That is, just apply one side the parsley hummus and one side the cabbage hummus. And now I am going to sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top to give an added touch to it, and also to add some crunch to it. Yes, and also the look. See, it's looking so beautiful. Isn't it easy and tasty and perfect way to feed your family with lots of green veggies and red veggies? So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And don't forget, if you want my consultation, that is my nutrition consultation, just go or peep into my description box. The link of my form is provided over there. You have to just fill it up and I am going to contact you surely. Thank you.